Hey guys, RTT back here from that video. Guys, today we have a accessory for the Surface Duo 1 and Surface Duo 2. Can also be used on the Galaxy Z Fold 3. And the cool thing about this accessory is you guys can see right away that is actually almost the size of the Surface Duo 2. It's literally the same, almost the same thickness of it. It's a little bit taller and a little bit longer, but overall it's a very similar type design of the Surface Duo 2. Now, taking a look at what this actually is, it's actually going to be a keyboard and a mouse. And the cool thing about this is it does fold and then it unfolds just like that to go ahead and show you. It is a very, very beautiful design, and it's so affordable. It's only $30 on Amazon, and you get a combination of having a keyboard and a mouse with you at all times. I recently started using this for my college, and oh my god, is it one of the most amazing experiences I have ever had using this. I'm not even exaggerating this, guys. Having this in my pocket, I can literally put this in my pocket and my Surface Duo in my pocket and be able to go ahead and always have a keyboard and mouse on me at all times. Of course, I bring my little phone holder just like always, and I'm able to go ahead and just set up my Surface Duo just like that. Go ahead and turn on my keyboard just like that, keyboard slash mouse, and you guys are gonna see I'm able to instantly connect to my Surface Duo and make sure I actually turn on my Bluetooth, and there we are. You guys can see I can literally connect right to my Surface Duo, and with this trackpad right here, you're able to just go ahead and move around the mouse on the actual screen, and it works so fluently. Now, the key thing about this device is it does not actually have what normal mouses have. It's just a touchpad. So in order to go ahead and close an application like that, you do have to go ahead and double click on the mouse down here and then move up, which is a little bit of a nuisance, but when you get used to it, it's actually really a lot easier. And because of this accessory is so cheap, like I said, $30, it's not going to break the bank, right? It's not going to be one of those accessories where you're like, oh my god, I can't even afford this accessory, because there's a lot of different, keyboard and mouses out there that cost a crap ton of money. We looked at very affordable ones recently for these type of phones, and to be honest, even with those being as affordable as they are, they're not convenient. This one is so convenient. I mean, look at that. So small, so out of the way. It's not going to go ahead and get in your way. And like I said before, I've been using this like every single day now for college, and it's been such a delight having this for college. So I go ahead and zoom in. Let me go ahead and zoom into Surface Duo 2 right there, and I go ahead and go down here. I can actually go to Office just like normal, and I can go ahead and let's do my Word document, and I can go ahead and okay, and I can start just typing away on my Word document. So just start typing any random letters, and bam, it pops up really instantly. Now, the big thing I've always been concerned about when it comes to Bluetooth keyboards and Bluetooth mice is really just the latency, right? Because at the end of the day, it is through Bluetooth, and the Surface Duo 2 has amazing Bluetooth capabilities, but at the end of the day, you are going to have to worry about sometimes latency issues. With this keyboard, I've not had any latency issues at all. Had this keyboard around 3 or 4 days now, and it has been almost perfect. Only reason I say it's not perfect is because of the fact that in order to go ahead and use this, you have to go ahead and do it like this. And again, like I said, it's not a big deal, but it's something where I wish there was an ability to actually go ahead and click, and because that's how, for example, when I'm using my actual mouse, that's how I'm able to actually go ahead and drag the screen over and change screens. You do get used to it. As you guys can see, I'm pretty used to it at this point. But for someone who is new, it might be a tad bit of an issue, converting to this and using this at first. But like I said before, you're going to get used to this and be so fluent with this within probably like a day or so. You're not going to take longer than a day or so to go ahead and actually get, here we go. So I can just start typing just like that, and then I can go ahead and go over to my next PowerPoint slide, click on new, and then keep going from there. And again, like I said, it's one of those things where if you are going to invest into a keyboard and mouse, if you are going to invest into something to really make this a desktop computer for yourself or a laptop, you want to go ahead and pick up this instantly, just because of how convenient it is, how affordable it is, and how honestly, usable it is. I will definitely say not having that, extra little click, as you guys see in this video so far, it's definitely a little bit of a nuisance. But again, like I said, you do get used to it real quickly, and you will start going ahead and actually learning, how to correctly do it. But again, like I said, you can pull up Twitter here, start tweeting out random things, and it just works so fluently. And again, like I said, it's one of those things where it's a nice little $30 accessory. So in conclusion, who should go ahead and pick up this actual keyboard and mouse? And to be honest, I will say it is not the most perfect item, but for the price tag of $30, I will say anyone who is trying to convert their actual Surface Duo 2 into a PC/laptop, or if you're just trying to go ahead and take this on the go, I definitely will say it is a great product to own just in case you need it, right? Again, like I said, for me being a college student, I use it every single day of my life. But if you're not a college student, you might not 100% love this device, just because, again, it is not the best when it comes to no clickiness of this, but it still has the ability to use the trackpad, use everything you need without any hesitation at all. You just have to go ahead and just understand when you double click, you're not actually clicking on something. So that is something. So you have to literally go like this. And then, yeah. So with that in mind, guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. And if you pick up this device, how did it work out for you? I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. I don't know how I like that. I might restart.